Look at the side of any long-haul bus or heavy freight truck, and you might notice a strange, spider-like mechanical device mounted directly onto the outside of its wheel hubs. With a rigid metal pipe dropping down from the fender and thin hoses radiating outward to the tire valves, these devices look almost like complex industrial sensors. But why are these exposed hoses attached to a wheel that spins at highway speeds? What do these specialized systems actually do while the massive vehicle is in motion? Could this seemingly fragile attachment be the secret to preventing catastrophic blowouts and keeping commercial fleets running smoothly? Let's find out right here on Simple Why. To understand why heavy transport vehicles carry these unusual wheel attachments, we have to look at the immense physical demands placed on commercial tires. Unlike standard passenger cars, heavy trucks and long-distance buses operate under extreme weight loads, traveling thousands of miles continuously at high speeds. Under these grueling conditions, maintaining correct tire pressure is not just routine maintenance, it is a critical factor for safety and operational efficiency. Driving on underinflated tires generates excessive internal friction and heat, which dramatically accelerates tread wear and increases fuel consumption. Historically, drivers had to manually check and inflate each massive tire. However, the commercial transport industry needed a reliable way to monitor and adjust tire pressure on the fly, leading to the development of automatic tire inflation systems, often recognized under names like Vigia or SETIs.
They're a feature that keeps air in your tires. It's set at 100 psi. There's a control box underneath with an on and off valve that can be easily accessed by the driver.
At first glance, sending compressed air into a wheel that is rapidly spinning presents a daunting mechanical puzzle. If you connect a standard air hose to a spinning tire, the line would twist and snap almost instantly. While military off-road vehicles often use internal systems that route air secretly through the hollow axles, commercial trucks usually rely on an external solution. As seen on many commercial setups, a rigid metal tube drops down from the vehicle's exterior structure directly to the center of the outer wheel rim. At this exact center point sits the system's most vital component, a central hubcap housing a rotary union or swivel joint. This brilliantly engineered joint creates a sealed pneumatic chamber that connects the stationary rigid pipe from the truck's air compressor to the rotating hub face, allowing air to pass through without twisting the lines. Once the compressed air successfully navigates through the stationary to rotating barrier of the swivel joint, it enters a distribution block mounted on the hubcap. From this central hub, thin reinforced hoses radiate outward, connecting directly to the inflation valves of the tires. For dual-wheel setups commonly found on heavy trucks, the hub will feature multiple hoses feeding both the inner and outer tires simultaneously. This entire external circuit operates as a continuous, automated guardian over the vehicle's footprint. Pressure sensors located within the central control unit in the cabin constantly monitor the internal air pressure of every connected tire while the vehicle is driving. If a tire suffers a small puncture from road debris or experiences a gradual pressure drop due to falling ambient temperatures, the system instantly detects the anomaly. Without requiring the driver to pull over on a dangerous highway shoulder, the control module automatically opens pneumatic valves and pumps air from the vehicle's main compressor directly into the leaking tire. It continuously feeds air to maintain the exact recommended operating pressure. In many practical scenarios, this automated compensation allows a bus or truck to safely complete a long journey despite a slow leak, turning what could have been a hazardous roadside breakdown into a completely manageable, scheduled repair at a proper maintenance facility. A common misconception among everyday motorists is that these external hoses and metal pipes are fragile accessories that could easily snap off and instantly deflate the tires. While the exposed hoses might look delicate, they are actually engineered with durable, reinforced materials and feature built-in protective check valves. If an external line happens to be severed by a flying rock or severe road debris, these internal safety valves immediately slam shut. This fail-safe mechanism isolates the tire from the broken external system, sealing the air inside and preventing the tire from losing its existing pressure. The vehicle simply reverts to operating like a standard, unmonitored tire until the external line can be replaced. The widespread adoption of these automatic tire pressure calibrators provides massive economic and environmental benefits for the global supply chain. By maintaining precise tire pressure automatically, fleet operators significantly extend the lifespan of their expensive commercial tires, lower carbon emissions, and save substantial amounts of diesel fuel over thousands of miles. More importantly, these devices play a vital role in public road safety. Severely underinflated tires are a leading cause of sudden, explosive tire shredding on highways, leaving dangerous rubber debris across lanes. By preventing these sudden pressure drops, these unusual wheel attachments help keep massive, heavy vehicles stable, protecting not just the cargo, but everyone sharing the open road. Those strange spider-like devices attached to the outside of heavy vehicle wheels are far more than unusual mechanical ornaments. Whether referred to as VGA, CDs, or general automatic tire inflation systems, they represent a highly practical engineering solution to a critical transport challenge. By utilizing specialized rotary unions and external air lines, they monitor, inflate, and protect massive commercial tires in real time while moving at highway speeds. The next time you spot these exposed metal pipes and hoses on a passing truck, you will recognize them as an invisible safety guardian, ensuring a smooth, safe, and efficient journey. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Simple Why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.